Okay, so if you have been looking for a reliable non-contact thermometer that's particularly suited for babies and young children, which comes with a 5-year guarantee, then the FT90 may be something for you to consider. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the FT90, find out what features the device itself has, and also what items are included inside of the packaging. Having a look at some of the features noted on the outside of the box, and we can see that the FT90 is going to be able to measure body temperature, object temperature, and room temperature. So this is very handy because if you are going to be using it on a day-to-day basis, you'll be able to do things like measure the temperature of your baby's milk. You'll be able to measure the temperature of the room that your baby is in, especially coming around winter and summer times, and you'll be able to measure the temperature of your baby, him or herself. With this, we can also see that it is a non-contact thermometer up to 2 to 3 centimeters. That's the best range to use it between. And we can see that it also indicates with a smiley face or a sad face what the status of your baby's temperature is. As soon as it would go over 38 degrees, you also have an alarm that would sound and a sad face that would show up, making it very easily recognizable that your baby does have a temperature at that moment. On this, we're also going to see that we've got 60 memory spaces if you are measuring and recording what your baby's temperature is. You've also got an auto off function, which is always good to have. You've got your batteries and your storage case in here, and you've also got a 5-year guarantee on this device. So if there were any manufacturing defects with it, come back to us, let us know, and we'll be able to help you out from there. Let's open it up and find out what is included inside the box. Have a look at what we have. So firstly, some highlighted notes from Beurer regarding the use of a non-contact thermometer and also what factors affect the accuracy of a non-contact thermometer that you should definitely read more on. At number 1, we've got the temperature differences within the body versus the skin, ambient or room temperature, and also cleaning and maintenance of the device. All very important. Next, we've got the user manual, which will teach you exactly how to set up the device for the first time and also how to make full functionality and use of the thermometer. Next, we can see that we have the thermometer in a very nice hardcover plastic case here, which is going to come in handy when you need to store the device away. You've also got a small indicator reminding you to hold the sensor about 2 to 3 centimeters away from the surface of your baby's skin. Having a look at the device itself, immediately we can see that Beurer have gone with a much more neutral and passive design on this compared to the gun type shape that we have seen on other thermometers. So when using it, it's a bit less scary and less intrusive. On the front side, you're going to have your scan button, you're going to have your power off and on button, your mode button, and also your light and set button. You've got a good size screen on this, and on the back end you've just got your battery compartment, which has a bit more of a matte finish, and that will just allow a better grip on the device when you are using it regularly. So with that said, that will be the unboxing of the FT90 from Beurer. If you think I've missed out any information in this video, then please share that in the comment section so that we can get back to you directly. Alternatively, to shop or to find out more, you can head over to our website omninela.co.za. If you did enjoy watching this video and would like to hear more from me, then please leave us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Nicholas from Omninela Medical, reminding you to live limitless.